he's living.
I'm finna fidget the spinner.
You about to fidget the spinner?
Fidget the spinner.
That's regular fidget spinner. She just found out we ain't lose it too.
I know. I told her I had. Look at this.
Like with a lamp.
It's hot.
What's going on, vlog?
It's hot. Look at
I can see the sweat everywhere because you dressed ready for Christmas.
You already know it. Gotta stay ready. They're not ready for the sauce. See, normal people won't understand why I dress like I do, and it's 100 degrees.
You need to see it.
Why?
I'm too cool.
Explain
so
why.
my coolness cool my body off.
But we need to
It don't
put
look
the
like
fan
you
off.
did. Look like
You
sweaty. Yeah.
Like you just hooped in the furnace.
Y'all sweating with short
Rub your body with Vaseline.
I'm not sweating no more. I was sweating earlier. I'm not sweating no more.
No, I am. I'm hot.
Y'all know that fool.
And you black on the screen, fam.
Your mom.
Ugly, dude.
Your mother.
Next person. Where we going now?
Go see what Mr. Person and the campers are doing. Still camp. AC's broken here, so it's still broke.
Yeah, we just fidgeting around spinning.
Fidgeting
You know what I mean? Uh-oh. Oh. Let's go. You get the legs up and out.
It smells like pure heat in here. That.
I celebrate you, you celebrate me.
Keep going.
It's time to celebrate. I'm on to celebrate.
Need some work.
I want to celebrate.
Look at you. Look how you losing your form, right?
I celebrate you.
One last time.
Celebrate me. It's time to celebrate. I want to celebrate.
Why is that on your
I
body
want
like
to
this?
celebrate.
Go like this, right?
I celebrate you. You celebrate me.
You can't go yet.
If that's a camper's mom.
Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Let's pray on out and let's see where to go. Come on, everybody together. Come on, Mom. No way. No way. Come on, come on. Practice, 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 y'all. Practice makes what? Practice makes practice. We're going to lead us some prayer. Pray us on out.
Dear Jesus, thank you for waking us up this morning. Thank you for having getting us to stay us right. Thank you for letting us keep our words right. Please watch over us on Friday.
Amen. We'll see y'all in the morning.
Y'all taking pictures?
Let's go. Let's go. Here we
Time
go.
to go. It smells like
hustle.
heat, hot, and Jesus.
Smell like sweat, work, and exercise. They don't know.
Exercise?
Exercise.
Exercise?
Exercise.
Exercise,
That's
y'all.
really like it. Exercise is really don't smell good. Where we going, y'all?
Going back in here. Mr. Ray, oh, he undoing that tie,
I
y'all.
really flying.
The heat didn't got to him.
Look, you watching a recap. It's all good, too. It's all good.
He's still, nah, he ain't sick. I forgot. You wanted,
Yeah,
you
know,
wanted them to win.
Says was just, you know,
Ooh, baby.
I don't know. if
First
it's
of all,
real.
this light probably getting so much.
Oh, my God.
We gotta make-
Gorilla in the room.
Say hi to the vlog, Ryan.
Hello, my name is Jeff.
Oh, black. Full spill. Look at Rufus P.
My name is Jeff.
Oh, right. That breast.
Aight.
Yeah, look.
We about to do a camp roll. Baby, it's too hot for light.
Hot fuck with that.
It's just gonna be black. This is Crystal, you guys. Say hi, Crystal.
Hey, Crystal.
Hi.
Hey, Crystal.
You know who this is.
Bye-bye.
Harambe herself.
We got Isaiah.
And Isaiah Rufus. Not Kunta Kinte. She's Harambe.
You be calling him calling her a boy?
No, I call her man.
It's a difference.
She's more.
That lovely hair.
Oh my God. Best next ever.
Y'all take some of that stuff in the refrigerator.
Mom's back. She was checking me earlier. But now we're going to take a look at this outfit.
Look,
And she was checking me. Full
I
on
got
flaming.
my church lady attire.
Full on checking me. First of all, is this a cow neck in the middle of June? one. Second, is this gray and black and white. Third,
Talk about me like
are these some shoes? You was checking me earlier, mama. Are these tennis shoes?
Keep on proof.
You were checking me
This on
earlier.
the blog.
Yeah, this is going on the vlog.
You know I don't do that.
That's all.
I had my suit jacket on. You know
You had your suit jacket on?
it's just too hot right now. And I got my good shoes in there in my room, but I can't walk them down that street.
Nope. Too late.
Got my Kojic lady towel.
Okay. Gonna
Where
go
we
back
going?
to the
Where we
fan.
going? Where we going?
Let's go see your dad. Let's go get him to talk to the vlog. You know, he be talking to the vlog for a long time. Title of this vlog is our AC is broken. And well, it's hard for me to do any work when the AC is broke. Cause,
It's really, really hard.
if you guys notice the devotion setup, send it up for
I need you
devotion.
to go in your office, go sweep it out, get it together, and tell Chaz to come in here and go clean this house so we're ready to go. Straighten all this stuff up, get it so we'll be ready for devotion in the morning.
I thought he was gonna say some words of encouragement. Guess not.
Remember the phone like that? Our phone.
This heat is indescribable, inexplainable.
Get all that stuff out there, straighten this up.
I mean, it's hot. Like, yeah. There was a thermometer in here earlier. 80 degrees, man. 80. Hi you guys, so we're at the house clearly and I decided to make some nachos for everybody, you know, because I'm just the master cooker. So cooking nachos for everybody and it should be ready any minute now.